Hello friends, myself Ayush Kumar. I am third year BTech Civil Engineering student studying at IIT RAM Ahmedabad. So here we have an assignment which is of seismic analysis of a tall building. This assignment is under a Sci-Fi Lab course of structure analysis. So here we will be doing seismic analysis via response spectrum method. So for this we have to go define load patterns. So set the name to seismic, load type of seismic, and IS 1893-2002. Click on add load. This modify the lateral load. You have to select only x and y directions. So as per our consideration, the area is of Bangalore, so the zone factor z will be 0.1 as per the IS code. Site type we have considered of medium, so it will be 2. Importance factor will be 1. Click on OK. Okay, defined. We have sorry define function response spectrum. So IS 1893 add new function. So we have response spectrum. Set the zone is equals to 0.1 2. Click on OK. So now we have the response spectrum function. Click on OK. Click on again define. Let load cases. Add new case. So the load case name will be response spectrum. The load case type will be response spectrum. Now we'll be adding select U1 the function will response spectrum. So as per the calculation of according to IS code, we have values equals to scale factor is equals to 1663.5. Click on add, select U2 response spectrum and again enter the same value 1663.5. Click on OK. Now click on OK. Now for display units we should check the units of acceleration. So we have the acceleration favorable units, so click on OK. Now we'll be go to analyze, set load cases to run. So while seismic analysis we should not consider the dead load and the live load. We will only considering seismic and the response spectrum and click on run now. So we have to wait for the analysis that the system software performs. Once the analysis is completed, we will be able to know the deflection and the reactions at the joints. So on moving the cursor, wait for a minute as the software responds. So right click on, so as we move the cursor on any joint we can have the values of Rx, Ry. These are the reaction, Ux, Uy and Uz is the displacement. On the right click on selecting the point and right click we can have its all values. Now we will go into design check, concrete frame design. So check the revise, so it is IS 456 2000, which is okay. Click on OK. Now design, concrete frame design, start design check. We have to wait as the system run the design check by optimizing the auto select property which we have considered while selecting the columns and the beams of various dimensions. So the software will select the best option for the respective beam and the column dimension according to the favorable seismic load which is building is going to experience. We have to wait till the software analyze the result. So analyze the say 45 for concrete beam. So we have to reiterate and give the permission the software. So the software will again change the design for that for particular members which have failed using as we have used the auto select mode for the columns and the beams. So so now we can see the design check is complete. So now we will check for the verify all member passed. So we can see the all concrete members have passed the design check. We can see on each member we can have the longitudinal reinforcement detail. So on selecting and just right click on the member and details, we can have the all the values respective the of that member, that is of reinforcement, axial moment, force which is going to experience, and the shear and everything we can have using this. So this is all the ratios which we have considered. So in this way, as the all members have passed, our design test is complete and our structure is stable for the given response spectrum method. Thank you very much.